North.
Oh, you must be wrong, Lex. This couldn't be his home way up here.
Wrong, Lex. Miss Teschmacher, those are two words we do not use in the same sentence.
Well, it's funny there's no front door.
Miss Teschmacher, funny is a person trying to smile without any teeth. Right.
Oh.
This way.
It's this way. Wait, Lex, it's this way. It's this way, Lex. Come on. Come on.
Get off.
Come on.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
It's fantastic!
Construction goes far beyond any known architectural theory. It's beautiful.
Lex!
The virtuous spirit has no need for thanks for approval.
What's that?
Only the certain conviction that what has been done is right.
That's the old man. He looks just like the kid. Are you the old man?
Ask him where the bathroom is.
Develop such conviction in yourself.
Are you here?
The human heart on your planet is still
He's
subject
not
to
here.
small jealousy.
It's a voice from the past. That's cute. It's really cute. No.
Lies, monstrous deceptions.
Wow. So much for moral rearmament. Give me another crystal.
Education Crystal 108, Earth Culture. A typical ode much loved by the people who will live among Kal-El. Trees by Joyce Kilmer. I think that I shall never see a poem as lovely as a tree.
Come on, I like trees.
So does your average Cocker Spaniel. Give me another one.
Cute.
My son,
Man never ages.
Never ages.
the time has come to tell you of the darkest episode in Krypton history.
Now, this I want to hear.
Unfortunately, even on our peaceful planet, there have appeared once in a great while certain antisocial elements, deviants, what you call on Earth criminals.
Criminals?
Deviants. He was right in the first place.
Of course, we are not a primitive planet like Earth. These unhappy souls were almost always successfully transformed into productive citizens.
You never heard of Lex Luthor?
There were, however, 3 exceptions, only 3, who proved impossible to rehabilitate.
Aha, there's hope.
None the destroyer. Unreasoning violence in the shape of a being. Ursa, vicious, cruel, obsessed by a single-minded hatred which could never be deterred. And the one force could unite them, the only one whose warped genius could harness these forces of evil, General Zod.
Looks kind of cute.
His attempted insurrection was the most painful episode our people ever had to endure. But after a long and terrible battle, peace and harmony were once again restored.
Kind of an anticlimax.
We had, of course, no death penalty.
Sensible enough.
And so they were placed in the Phantom Zone. prison for all eternity. They do not know what could be done if they were to escape. On Krypton, these villains were uncontrollable. On Earth, each of them would have the identical powers that you have.